This is our spot. Floquet, come here. Right next to the water. We have a little fire pit and a picnic table. And this is the spot where we're gonna put the tent. Well, I'm gonna put the tent, of course. Floquet is loving it. She's already loving it. Tent, happy dog, ocean, and mountains. What else can I ask for? Maybe hiking shoes would be good. So, tent is set. We both ate a little bit. Yeah, Floquet. Well, he didn't really eat too much, but I ate. And now, I'm gonna start hiking. Hiking with these shoes. The only thing I forgot, and it's literally the only thing I forgot, are my hiking shoes. On a hiking trip, well, that was supposed to be a trail running camping trip, became a walking camping trip. And so instead of doing 14 miles running today, we'll see how many miles I can get done. But we gotta come back here before. Well, I mean, I do have a lamp. Oh shoot! See, that reminds me that I gotta grab a lamp, a headlamp, because we might end up hiking at night if we decide to do the 14 miles by basically just walking on flip-flops. So glad I did this video because it reminded me to grab a headlamp. Adventure! The adventure! Sense tu la vida és com menjar sense sal, insípida i austera com un pont de funeral. És com si l'existència s'hagués tornat un portàbil. Quan miro el calendari vull que els dies passin ràpid. Sí, ja ho sé, que no s'acaba pas al món. So that thing over there is a rattlesnake. And Floquet just bothered the rattlesnake and made some noise. Then I realized there's a fucking rattlesnake, Floquet. I know. What are we gonna do? It's looking straight to us. That thing can jump to us. What do we do? Look at the tongue coming out. Okay, it's not looking at us anymore. Floquet, stop. It's moving. It's getting out of the way. Floquet, no, you don't want to play with that shit. Floquet. Floquet, let it go. Floquet, stop it. That shit is gonna bite you. And we go. And like that. Keep going. Oh shit. She's turning around. Bye bye. Good to see you. Oh my goodness, Floquet. Oh, mira qué maco. Oh, qué maco, eh? Esta planta es maca. Es muy maca. So we found a little cut, I guess, I don't know, detour. It's not a detour, it's its own trail, but it takes you back to two harbors, and it's a shorter trail. It's a 6.5 miles, but it's pretty outgrown, and it's a very narrow trail compared to the other one. This is just like an actual trail, which I like. And yeah, I decided to take the shortcut because there's no way, after the rattlesnake and running with these flip-flops, well, sandals, thank goodness are not flip-flops, there's no way I could do the whole 14 miles today. So we're just gonna enjoy this little narrow trail, right? It's got beautiful views. The ocean, and the other side, the mountains. So that's pretty nice. And it's an adventure too. And we don't run, we walk, but that's okay. And it seems like there's no rattlesnakes around here. Although, who freaking knows? There might be a bunch of rattlesnakes around us, surrounding us, waiting for us to make a mistake so they can attack. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying right now. Anyways. Ouch! That's what happens when you don't have your things ready the night before. Or you change your mind and you decide to go with your sandals in the ferry because it's going to be more comfortable, and then you forget you still have to bring your running shoes with you. So make a list, people, of the things that you need before you go a camping trip. Damn, this one is bad. Yep, checklist. I should have done that. I didn't do it. Funny enough, I didn't forget anything else but my running shoes. So, okay, forget. You ready? Come on, let's go. Miss Maca. Oh, qué maca que es, ¿Qué estas plantas? Vale, que me acabas de dar. It's happening. Where is? I think it's right behind me, right next to me. So, one of the things that I learned being a Girl Scout in Spain is that when you are hiking on a road that is at dark and you're a little scared about the animals around you, they tell you that it's best if you like keep talking, if you're like not loud, like noisy, but like if you make noise, if you like talk and like have, you sing some songs or something, that helps because the animals are probably gonna hear you from far away, and then they know you're far, but they know they're like you're coming towards them. And so by the time you get to them, they're not scared. They're expecting you already. So they can just see you walk by, they just watch you keep going. I was just telling Floquet because, I talk to Floquet because I know he understands me. That because we just run into a rattlesnake, that it's better if we just kind of like talk. Or I talk, I guess. He's not gonna talk. And that we can talk about many things. I can talk to him about whatever. Because he's not gonna say shit. He's not gonna, complain about me talking. So I can talk about whatever I want. And then I realized that the whole point of my solo trip, I guess, solo with Floquet, as in people, it's that I don't have to talk. I don't have to talk to anyone. I can just be in my head, or I can just be empty in my thoughts, or I can just be enjoying nature and don't have to share it with anyone else, but just me. That's what I liked, I guess, the idea of coming here. You don't have to break the ice or feel uncomfortable because there's silence and no one is talking. You don't have to have this constant thought of like, oh, I have to share something with them, or I have to ask them how they're doing, or I have to ask what's up with their lives. And in a selfish way, I just kind of like enjoy not having to deal with that with anyone. Just me, the dog, where are you? And nature. And then some videos now and then, because I feel like if I'm talking on my own it's a little crazy, but if I'm talking to the phone, then at least I guess I have some audience eventually. If I do something with these videos, who knows? Maybe nothing. Sometimes we get caught up with thinking so much about others, and then you just forget about how are you doing, you know, and what you actually need, which most of the time what all you need is just relaxation and calmness and tranquility and no noise, no noises in your head, just quietness, just you and what you want in your life, and have that like focused mentality of what do I need to do to get there, and that's all on me and nothing else, and nobody else can help me, nobody else will do the work for me, so I have to do it. Look what we found. New toy for Floquet. You like it? It's a bone. It's actually a real bone. I don't know what animal, but it's a pretty bone. You like it? Wanna keep it? Yeah? Come on, go get it. 1, 2, 3, go get it. Wow. Come on, let's keep running. We got to Cat Harbor, which is basically behind 2 harbors, and it's beautiful. It's even more beautiful than 2 harbors, so worth checking in this cute little space. And we are close to 2 harbors. 2 harbors is just right there. The other side. Come on, let's go in the water. Ow. 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 Ooh, it's cold already. Oh, shit. Is it? You like it? Is it farther? Are we going to more farther? More farther? You like it? Oh, you like it? Oh, you like it? Oh, yeah. Good boy. Come on. More. Come on. Come here with me. Come on. Look, come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Good man. Look at that. Good job. You like it, huh? It feels good. It feels good. Good boy. Alright? It's nice, huh? Beautiful. Look at, do you want to play some tennis? Maybe not on these courts. Look at this. Look at this shit. Oh, look, a witch left the room. Oh, shit. This one.
Hoy me quedo en casa, lo de fuera no me interesa.
This one.
Ya saldré a dar una vuelta otro día que no llueva. ¿Cuántas flores?
I finally arrived at the tent and I saw my backpack fucked up, like literally a hole in my backpack, and then also like my snack wraps everywhere in the tent, and then there was like kind of like little poops, and then my banana was not existing anymore, which is like the peel, and my apple was like half of the apple. So this is the hole that I got in my backpack, and it's wet, like it smells like pee. like animal pee. Do you hear this sound? Okay, so that's a hamster, or it looks like a hamster mixed with a squirrel. I don't know what the appropriate name for this animal is. And I bet you something, that fucking animal found his way in my tent and ate all my snacks and fucked up my backpack. Why? Because Floquet, he was chasing her, or him, when I was setting him the tent. He was chasing like non-stop this freaking animal, and since then he's been non-stop like making this noise. So I bet you he did that. What an asshole. It's 6:20 and I showered on these showers here. That's a shower. So I took a shower there, naked, and it felt amazing. And then I put this like honey facial mask on my face. That's why it's so shiny. That's the only type of moisturizer I could bring with me because it's very small. So about to eat my dinner. Floquet is here with me, chilling. And after that I'm gonna wash my face on those sinks. Those are sinks right next to the bathroom, and then brush my teeth, and then we're just gonna maybe walk next to the ocean and read a book and call it a night. Yeah? Yes, Floquet? Yes? So we're here. The sun is setting down and we're just inside the tent. Floquet loves it. Floquet, ¿te agrada? Chili, ¿verdad? That's where I took the shower. Floquet, come on. Good boy. Oh, jeez. He's been going in and out of the tent because he looks outside for birds. You saw one? No. He was like passing out and then opening his eyes. So funny. Oh, let's go. Come on, get them. Hey, you gotta be faster if you wanna catch the birds. We're never gonna catch them. Oh, nope. This is a big ass fucking mosquito. You're not entering. Forget, drop it. Shit eater. Not a shit eater. Come on. Get in here. Come on, get in here. Stop eating chipmunk shit. That chipmunk shat on our bed that we're gonna sleep on tonight, okay? You get to eat his shit. Get it? You get it? Good morning. It's 5:40 a.m. The sun hasn't come out yet. This is the tent. And I would say we didn't sleep too well tonight. Because as you can see, the ground is gravel, there's a lot of rocks. And I also only have a yoga mat, so it's feeling a little painful. Hi. Hi. So we just woke up and we did pee pee and poo poo. Yeah. And we're probably gonna go back to lay down. We're probably gonna sleep, but okay. That motherfucker over there. He's been doing the same fucking sound all night and all morning. So annoying. Okay, so we packed the tent and now we're heading back to Harbors, which is only like a 10-minute walk. Come on. Okay. We're gonna have some breakfast in there. There's a restaurant that just opened up at 8 a.m. so we're gonna get some nice avocado toast because that's the only vegan option they have. And then we're just gonna chill there. I'm gonna write my morning pages, read a book, and then until 11:30 we're gonna board the ferry right there. Yeah. Look at the duck. Look at the duck. Look at the duck over there. Shh. Floquet, be nice. Floquet. Oh, so cute. Floquet, stop. No. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on, stop it. You already ate your breakfast. Oh. No. I'm writing my morning pages here. And I like to do this to Floquet because it bothers him so much.
Nothing else but you.
Pretty boy.